All these years, as happy as we've been, how I prayed and prayed the good Lord see fit to give us a child.
Honey, will you hand me that rag up there?
You take things easy now, Jonathan. Remember what Doc Fry said about that heart of yours.
The first thing we got to do when we get home is find out who that boy's proper family is.
He hasn't got any. Not around here, anyway.
Martha, are you thinking what I think you're thinking?
We could say he's the child of my cousin in North Dakota, and just now orphaned.
Oh, Martha.
Jonathan, he's only a baby.
Martha, now you saw how we found him, you know. Martha, Clark, Kent, are you listening to what I'm saying?
Come on, gang!
That was a great game, huh? Yeah, but next week we'll knock the hell out.
Come on, gang, hustle, let's go. Stack your helmets neatly. Remember about those uniforms, cleaned and washed by tomorrow and looking like a football team.
Hey, Clark, let's have all those clothes
gang,
washed and
hustle.
ready for tomorrow's game,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Got to be Mount Vernon High.
Can you give me a lift?
Home early.
Lana, don't bother with these, huh? I'll take them in with the other equipment.
Thank you, Clark.
Sure.
Listen, a whole bunch of us are going up to Mary Ellen's, play some records. Would you like to come?
Sure. Sounds like it'd be a lot of fun.
Ken can't make it. They've got a lot of work to do.
What are you talking about? I just finished stacking all the...
All that?
Oh.
Oh, Brad.
Hey, come on, Lana.
Come on, Lana. Come on, let's go. Come on, he's got to clean this
Bye,
up.
Clark.
Yeah, bye,
Clean
Lana.
this up, Clark. We're off.
You have a writer's gift for invention. I'll say that for you.
But
Lois, please read your book.
no one ever believes me.